Replacing your bathroom faucet aerator with a high-efficiency WaterSense labeled aerator is one of the easiest and most cost-effective things you can do to save water at home.
An aerator is a simple water-saving device that you screw into the end of your faucet. It adds air into the flow to ensure good water pressure and significantly reduces the amount of water your faucet uses.
WaterSense labeled products use at least 20% less water than standard models.
And unlike earlier low-flow models, WaterSense products are tested by a third party for water efficiency and performance.
Of course, water savings is only part of the picture. When you use less water, you'll save on energy and sewer costs as well.
When switching out your aerator, make sure that your replacement is the same size as your original and the threads are in the same spot. Bring your existing aerator with you when you purchase a new one so that you can make sure the two match.
You can find a WaterSense labeled aerator at most home improvement stores for under $5. And many water providers give them to their customers for free.
Here's how to install your new high-efficiency aerator. First, remove the old aerator. In most cases, you should be able to unscrew it by hand. If you can't, you will need to use a wrench to loosen it. To do this, place a cloth between the wrench and the aerator to protect the finish.
Next, make sure the faucet threads are clean and run the water for a few seconds to clear any debris from the inside of your faucet. Then install your new aerator by screwing it clockwise onto the faucet and hand tighten. It is better to put it on too loose than too tight, as over-tightening can damage your faucet or aerator.
Next, check the seal of your new aerator by slowly turning on your faucet. If it leaks, it's likely that it's on too loose and needs to be tightened some more.
First, try tightening it a bit more with your hand. If this doesn't work, use a wrench to gently tighten the aerator until it's snug. Remember to place a cloth between your aerator and the wrench to protect the finish of your new device.
Now that you've seen how easy it is to change out your bathroom faucet aerator, take the next step in water efficiency by replacing your home's shower head and kitchen faucet aerator to more efficient models.
Shower heads are certified by WaterSense, so just look for the label. Kitchen aerators aren't currently certified by WaterSense, so you'll want to look for one that has a flow rate of less than 2.2 gallons per minute.
Typically 1.5 gallons per minute is considered efficient. Many water providers will give these to their customers for free as well.
For more information about water-efficient devices and fixtures that you can install in your home, visit www.conserveh2o.org. You'll also find a printable version of the instructions covered in this video and other tips to help you use water efficiently.
Do your part to use water wisely.
WaterSense, it just makes sense.
The Regional Water Providers Consortium will not be responsible for any damage to your home, landscape, or appliances from following any of the procedures in these videos. If you have any concerns doing any of this work yourself, you may wish to seek the services of a professional plumber or contractor.